It's me, Irfan Ali Memon from Team WizMinds. Basically, I presented my idea Jaida.pk for the Packathon 2014. Basically, Jaida.pk is an online property portal where you can manage your property listings online. Say, suppose if I am sitting outside the Pakistan or anywhere in the world, and I want to look for a property nearby in Sakkar or in any area of Pakistan, I will just visit the Jaida.pk and will file my intended property. So our website will provide the best results which you are looking for. So that was a simple idea we have presented in Packathon 2014, and at initial level we remained first from Sakkar IBA and went for the semi-finals, and from the semi-finals we got through the finals where we couldn't make through the top 3 but we remained in top 10, and that was really a nice experience and we learned a lot. This time Packathon was held in Boston, USA, so they called for almost 16 top cities which they consider they are the economic zones of the world. So from the platform of Sakkar IBA, we have represented the Sakkar city to a global level event Packathon at Boston. For the final, the only team which made through the finals was Team WizMinds that was presenting the idea Jaida.pk.
My name is Junaid Ali. I am the founder at Scontly. The name of my idea was Scontly, and we have a vision that we want to spread discounts everywhere. So Scontly is a location-based marketing solution that allows the businesses to promote themselves and to generate sales in their niche market using new mediums of information distribution like the internet and telecom integrated with technology provided by smartphones. So all that sums up that the businesses are marketing themselves using the common means of marketing which are old nowadays. They use stuff like local cable ads, brochures, posters, and they even go as far as to send bulk SMS, which is illegal. So a platform available where the businesses can share their deals and the consumers can fetch it from there. In my team, I had Nasir with me. He's an Android developer and he has a great hold at the Android part of the app. So through his collaboration, I was able to which part of the app is implementable and how do we need to make it more optimized for the Android platform that we are earlier engaging. I am dealing with the business part and the designing part. Events like Packathon, they are a need of today because the economy of Pakistan is not as well as much as software exports like in India and other countries. So to promote a tech environment in Pakistan, we need events like Packathon.
I am Zahiruddin from Peshawar, and I have won first prize from Peshawar in Packathon global event. And our project was early warning disease system, which is basically a health application. As we know that we face different disease outbreaks in all over the world. And for surveillance, we have many early disease warning systems such as ProMed-Mail and HealthMed. And these systems generate warning for the disease outbreak. But problem with that system was that they retrieve reports from news and online resources. So we need a system that could much faster than these present systems. In Pakistan, we also have disease early warning system for surveillance, which is called DEWS. But it follows conventional file system. This is manual system. The reporting and monitoring system is manual in this system, and it takes a couple of weeks to make some conclusion on it could cause more late response and which cause more casualties. For this problem, we have designed a prototype for early warning system that will retrieve reports of disease on daily basis from the registered users of every government hospital, and it could monitor it automatically every day. We will define the time of monitoring, and there will be direct contact between hospitals and our system. So if there is a suddenness in a number of cases of diseases in a specific area, suppose from last 3 or 4 days, this reveals that there is a chance of disease outbreak in that area, and the system will generate a warning for that disease outbreak automatically. So basically that was our idea.